The concept of job security has evolved over time. In our parents' generation, having a government job would have meant job security. Until recently, having a job in an MNC would have been considered as a secured job. And now, in the time of startups, it is more about what work you do and not how you are associated with the company. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the advantages of being a consultant to a company as against an employee purely from an income tax perspective. I'm Yashwanthnijagal, a chartered accountant in practice. Every week I post one video which will certainly provide you with valuable financial insights. So if you want to associate yourself with a company, it can either be as an employee, which everyone is aware of, or a consultant, and the only difference is that you're not on the rolls of the company. The roles and responsibilities remain the same, just that you'll be working for the company as part of a contract and not as an employee. So the reason I'm doing this video is because many of my clients who are salaried employees, they come to me and ask me how they can save on taxes. But to be frank, as a salaried employee, there are not many avenues where you can save taxes other than the standard deductions which are available in the Income Tax Act. But with this approach, I'm sure you can save a lot of taxes. The first and the biggest advantage of being a consultant or a contract employee is that you can save a lot on taxes. And how can you do that? You can just opt for presumptive taxation, and I have spoken about the presumptive taxation in my previous videos. You can find the link in the description. For example, if you are a consultant and you are earning a salary or remuneration of 60 lakhs, you will be paying taxes of only 11 lakhs as compared to an employee who will be paying taxes of 25 lakhs, which is less than 50% of the tax liability. And this is possible because of the presumptive taxation provisions. And with effect from financial year 23-24, the annual income limit has been increased from 50 lakh to 75 lakh rupees, which is a big advantage. So let me talk about the second advantage. This might not be applicable for all roles, but if you have the bandwidth, you can work with multiple companies, subject to their approval of course, and create multiple revenue channels. So let me talk about the advantages from an employer's perspective. Now, there is a lot of demand for specialized workforce, and it is easier to find or work with specialized workforce, especially when they are consultants, so that there is more accountability, there is more reliability, and it is much easier from a compliance perspective. Couple of things to be kept in mind. One, if you are working as a consultant for a company, make sure that there is a rock solid contract in place which is agreed by both you and the company. And two, make sure that you are aware of the compliances such as GST, especially when you cross certain threshold limit, and comply with the same. To conclude, with the changing work environment or scenario, if you have an option of working as a consultant as against an employee, I feel you should evaluate it considering the advantages which I have mentioned in this video. And as always, no tricks, no hacks. Follow me for valuable financial insights.